Your daughter's having sex with the Moor!
What is that I hear?
Desdemona, come to the chair. What is this I hear about you and the Moor?
I see with him, I respect you, but I'm gonna do the same for you, for her father, and I'm gonna obey to the Moor.
You are ruining the reputation of this family. Give me that.
No, that's my house! Oh no, I'm such a lightweight, I shouldn't be drinking. No, I made this one just special for you. Drink up. Ooh. You are such a drunk fool! I am not drunk! Say it to my face! You're drunk! Stop! I'm loaded! Othello, I have to tell you that I know for a fact that Desdemona is cheating on you with Cassio.
Oh, honest Iago, I believe you.
Good, I'm just looking out for your best interest. I'll leave you.
Everyone knows that Desdemona is cheating on me. This is so embarrassing. I am a high-ranked general that everyone respects, and this shouldn't be happening to me. I love Desi too much. She must die. I must kill her. That's the only way that things will be okay. You have lied to me, Desdemona.
I did not cheat on you.
Yes, you did, and this is why I have to kill you.
You know you shouldn't have really done that. She was telling me the truth.
I ruined my reputation and my honor. She was pure and innocent, and now I have to kill myself.
I'll take those. My plan was a success. Everyone thought I was honest the whole time. I tarnished Desdemona's reputation with her father. Unfortunately, by telling him about the Moor, unfortunately, she kept her honor. I then got Cassio drunk, so he would make a fool of himself and ruin his reputation and his honor, especially ruining his reputation with Othello. Then Othello would think I'm honest. Thus, I tricked him into believing Desdemona was cheating on him. He then ruined his own reputation and honor by killing her. Now everyone and their reputation and honor is dead.
Oh, Desi, you're so pure, you're not a whore. Hey, Desi. Hey, Desi. Oh, Cassio, you're not dumb, you're in a punk, you stabbed him. You stabbed him. Oh, no, so misled, your wife is dead, Othello. Othello. Oh, Iago, you're so bad, you weren't happy with what you had at Iago. His session's all night, and it was really long. Please give a lyric one, because we really need one. Just about the rap, and nature honor too. Othello!
Hi, Othello. What did you do? I'm like,